If your pasta represents an asteroid's path, Earth is the bowl. Let's see why these probabilities keep shifting. Meet Asteroid 2024 YR4, the current record holder for the highest impact probability ever recorded for an asteroid larger than 30 meters. Initially, NASA calculated a 3.1% chance of it hitting Earth in 2032. But guess what? They've now revised that to 1.5% based on new data. So why the constant shuffle in probabilities? It all comes down to how much we know about the asteroid's orbit. Picture this. The more we observe it, the clearer its path becomes. Initially, the uncertainty can make the risk seem higher, but as more data rolls in, we refine its trajectory, often lowering the risk. Remember Apophis? It once had a 2.7% chance of impact, but further analysis downgraded that risk. The same process is happening with 2024 YR4. Currently, it's at a 3 on the Torino scale, meaning there's a 1% or greater chance of localized destruction. But don't panic, this rating is expected to drop to 0 with more observations, so keep calm and trust the science. Every new observation brings us closer to knowing our cosmic neighbors. Let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of asteroids. Did you know that asteroids are remnants from the early solar system formation? These rocky bodies can provide us with valuable information about the building blocks of our planets. Some asteroids even contain water and organic materials, which are essential for life. Scientists are particularly interested in near-Earth asteroids, as they can pose a potential threat to our planet. By studying their composition and trajectories, we can develop strategies to mitigate any possible impacts. So, the next time you hear about an asteroid, remember that it's not just a space rock, but a window into our cosmic past. And who knows, one day we might even mine these asteroids for resources, unlocking new possibilities for space exploration.